Welcome once again to the Daily Message. As you probably know, very recently, Pope Francis issued a new social encyclical, a new letter entitled Fratelli, Tutti, which means we are all brothers and sisters. And in this encyclical, Francis is calling for all of us to overcome whatever divisions there are among us and to become more a worldwide family, to build what he calls social friendship with those who are different from us in whatever way. And so throughout the week, I want to share just brief passages from this encyclical to introduce us to it. Today's passage is number 3, which is very early in the encyclical, and it reads as follows. There is an episode in the life of St. Francis that shows his openness of heart, which knew no bounds and transcended differences of origin, nationality, color, or religion. It was his visit to Sultan Malik el-Kamil in Egypt, which entailed considerable hardship given Francis's poverty, his scarce resources, the great distances to be traveled, and their differences of language, culture, and religion. That journey, undertaken at the time of the Crusades, further demonstrated the breadth and grandeur of his love, which sought to embrace everyone. Francis's fidelity to his Lord was commensurate with his love for his brothers and sisters. Unconcerned for the hardships and dangers involved, Francis went to meet the Sultan with the same attitude that he instilled in his disciples. If they found themselves among the Saracens and other non-believers, without renouncing their own identity, they were not to, quote, engage in arguments or disputes, but to be subject to every human creature for God's sake. In the context of the times, this was an extraordinary recommendation. We are impressed that some 800 years ago, St. Francis urged that all forms of hostility or conflict be avoided, and that a humble and fraternal subjection be shown to those who did not share his faith. Thank you for watching today.